Hello and welcome to another video from the Inspiration College. In this video, I will show you how to use WhatsApp on your laptop or desktop computer using two methods. Method 1, the browser method. Method 2, by downloading WhatsApp to your computer and install it. With the browser method, all you need to do is to type the URL that you are seeing on the screen and follow the instructions to get WhatsApp. Let's get straight into the video. So, once you type web.whatsapp.com into the URL field and hit enter, you should see a screen like this. To use WhatsApp on your computer, open WhatsApp on your phone, whether Android or iPhone. Tap on the three dots to the right of your phone screen and select link devices. If you are using an iPhone, you need to tap on the settings button at the bottom right of your iPhone screen and select link devices. There is also a tutorial video that shows you how it's done. Next, point your phone to your computer screen to capture the barcode. Once the code is captured, you will see the WhatsApp dashboard appears on your computer. Just play around with the different functions in the WhatsApp dashboard and have fun. So now that you know how to use WhatsApp with method 1 on your desktop computer, let us move on to method 2, which is the download method. WhatsApp can be used on your desktop without a browser. To install WhatsApp on your desktop computer, download it from the Microsoft App Store or WhatsApp website. WhatsApp desktop will only work on computers that meet the following operating system requirement: Windows 10.1 or newer and Mac OS 10.11 or newer. For all other operating systems, you can use WhatsApp.web in the browser, which I've just showed you. So let us go to Microsoft App Store, download WhatsApp, and follow the instructions to install WhatsApp. So let us do that now. So we are on the Microsoft WhatsApp App Store, and as you can see, guys, you can download WhatsApp from here onto your desktop computer. All you need to do is read the description, and if you go over to the right, you can click on that button to get WhatsApp for free. And here we are going to download WhatsApp onto our computer. So all you need to do is just to click on that bag looking image there, as what I'm doing there. And depending on the speed of your computer, it will take a little while to open up. So just give it some time, and here we go. So as you can see, the process started. So all you just need to do is to hang on a bit, and very soon you will get the next section where you can actually download the app to your desktop computer. So just give it a little time to do its thing, and then we'll take it from there. So as you can see now, we are now on our way to download WhatsApp to our desktop computer, and the process is quite simple. So what I'm actually going to do, I'm going to get back to you as soon as it's almost finished. So stay tuned, guys. So welcome, guys. We are at the final stage of the installation, and as you can see, it's completed. So we're just going to wait and see what is happening. So now we're just going to click on that open button there, so that we can start the process of getting WhatsApp on our desktop. And as you can see, WhatsApp is now on our desktop. So normally you will get like a minimized screen. So what I'm actually going to do is just to maximize the screen so that I have a full screen so you can see exactly what is happening. So that's how it would be looking. So let me maximize the screen. So that's WhatsApp there, and as you can see, private information covered. So I've covered some sections there. Obviously I have private information I don't want to disclose. So it says welcome to WhatsApp, and it says it's a simple and reliable way to use WhatsApp on your desktop. So as you can see, guys, all you need to do is just to set it up on your system, and it's quite similar to the browser method. So you just open WhatsApp and you just follow the same process as you did in the first video clip I showed you. So what I'm actually doing now, I'm using my mobile phone to access WhatsApp, and then also to scan that barcode so that I can get WhatsApp on my computer screen. So as you can see there, it is making connection with my desktop. So there you have the screen, and as you can see, I have to hide some information there, and now we have WhatsApp on our desktop. So you can send messages from your desktop computer without using the phone. And as you can see, there is a screen. I have some messages there. So that's how you actually get WhatsApp on your desktop computer. So let us move on to the next section. So guys, that's how you install WhatsApp on your desktop computer. So I just want to say a big thank you for watching this video. And guys, if you like this video, that you will give it a like, you will share the video, and if you haven't yet subscribed, you will subscribe to the channel. If you are new, I welcome you, and you will subscribe. And if you have been watching my videos and you have not yet subscribed, I would love for you to do it. And also guys, there are some important links in the description of this video that you can check out. So thanks again for watching, and catch you in another video.